Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. This installation guide will walk you through the steps of replacing a faulty air suspension compressor of an Audi A6 Allroad Quattro, C5, with a new WABCO compressor from Arnott. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by locating the compressor, which can be found in front of the spare tire well underneath the vehicle. Remove the protective cover from the underside of the compressor via the 3 mounting studs. With the 3 nuts removed, remove the cover to expose the compressor. The compressor is held on with 3 nuts, 1 on each isolator. The isolators will be reused on the new assembly. Disconnect the 3 electrical plugs, airline and intake air hose from the compressor. 1 plug is on the solenoid while the other 2 are positioned to the right. Remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. You can now remove the old compressor from the vehicle. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Install the new air suspension compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Audi A6 Allroad Quattro air suspension compressor with a WABCO part from Arnott. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.